Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County, Union County, Bergen County, Essex County, Hudson County, Western Orange County until 8 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated
flooding. My phone's going off!
Storms over the warned area. Storms are moving northeast at 15 miles per hour and are producing between 1 and 2 inch rainfall rates per hour. Excessive
oh my God!
Will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. To report flooding, have the nearest law enforcement agency relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Upton, New York. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson and Passaic, and Orange, New York.
And Union.